Hey, what's up guys? It's Brandon here with Balisong Flipping, and today we got that glider OG V4. Decided to go on a slight little walk here. Man, bird central out here. Yeah, so I'm just on a walk, people. I hope everybody's enjoying their days. Yeah, so I tuned this and oiled it. So yeah, right before the walk. So we have no tap and pretty much no play because of those bushings, you know. Glider does their bushing so well. It's amazing. Here goes Willy Wonka's chocolate fountain. Pretty good, pretty good. And here goes the beautiful sky and road ahead. And it's really, really hot out here. So, yeah. Oh, wow. That chunk of side right there, that used to come out further, so a lot of it probably fell in the water, which is pretty interesting. Oop. Dropped the OG V4. There goes some traffic. Oop. Hi, cars. Oh. Oh. All right. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's not that clean. Wait, let's see if we can hit a... Oof. Interesting. Oh man. Here, let me switch my hands. Ooh. Well, that guy was beeping at the other guy. He wasn't beeping for me. I thought I was cool for a second. Wow. Oh. Oh. Well, back to the other hand now. Hey look, it's a sheriff. Oops. Ugh. Yeet. Oh. Oops. Tried to do a some kind of parabolic. Well, guess I can't right now. Oh, that's a Toyota. I don't know what car that is actually. I just know it's a Toyota. It sounded loud. Or fast. Oh, that's cool. Oof. Aw. Miss you. Well, guess I'm heading back now. Sorry I haven't talked as much, you know. It's a Sunday, so I guess that's just how I'm feeling. Ooh. But anyway, I won't film on the way back, but I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So thanks for sticking around. Just decided to go on a walk. So yeah, anyway, yeet.